Hello again, Eric, Northwest Bus Sales. Appreciate your time giving us a look. Let's check this one out right here. What we got here is a 1994 Bluebird handy bus. This is a real jewel here, I'll tell you what. Dependable little bus, 14 passenger with 2 wheelchair capacity. Alright, let's cruise inside and give her a look. Pretty basic bus. Here's the driver's seat. PA system, AM, FM radio. Underneath the doghouse here, we got the 6.2 liter Chevy diesel. Driver and passenger heat. Tilt wheel. See, it also has the power door. There's the wheelchair lift underneath the cover there. We'll get a look at that. Floor's in good condition. Upholstery's in good condition. Passenger seat belts. Got room for a wheelchair here in the back and one up front. All the glass is in tip-top shape. Let's take off the cover here. When we go outside, we'll get a look at the wheelchair lift. Alright. Let's get a look at the tires too. She has good tread on her. To the front, good tread. Passenger rear. Good tread there. Get a look at the undercarriage. Holding the light in, can't see it that good, can you? There we go. Alright, let's open this baby up. Ricon wheelchair lift. And here's the controller. Here she goes. And down. And back up. As you can tell, she's a smooth operator. Okay, that'll do it for that. Button her up. Let's get a look at the outside. Body's in good condition. As a matter of fact, the more I look at it, the body's in real good condition. Alright. Let's see if we can get a look from the inside from the outside here. There we go. Look at the interior there. That's the wheelchair cover that you see laying up there. Alright, it's got an emergency buzzer going off. Let's close her up. Can't hardly listen to that very long, huh? There we go. Alright. Pretty basic school bus. Let's get a look at the driver's side tires. Rear duals on the driver's side. Getting on a tread there. Check these out, battery boxes. There we go. Alright, I think that'll just about do it. See, she still has the crossover mirrors on the front, all the glass, tinted passenger glass. Windshield's in good shape. Again, this is a 1994 Bluebird handy bus, 14 passenger, 2 wheelchair capacity. Check us out online, nwbus.com. Have any questions, please call 800-231-7099. Thanks.